Why does the author refers to William Faulkner? In the context of the highlighted text, the passage says that there are problems in the literary evaluation of the American West, and it says that there is prejudice in favor of in the works with cultural prestige of England or New England, and prejudice against the works of harsh plains of the American West. In that context, it says that the West has produced no William Faulkner who is giant enough to make the prejudice collapse. So it can be inferred that the author mentions William Faulkner to indicate the absence of a literary giant because of which the prejudice is continuing. So we need an answer choice on similar lines. Let's look at the answer choices. Answer choice A, to suggest a lack of quality in American West literature. In the context of the highlighted text, the passage says that the West has not produced a literary giant because of which the prejudice against the Western literature is continuing. However, it is too extreme to say that the passage indicates the lack of quality in the American Western literature as a whole. This is an extreme answer choice. Let's eliminate it. Answer choice B, the lack of role played by the Western literature in the literature of the nation. In the context of the highlighted text, the passage makes no suggestion regarding the role of Western literature in the literature of the nation. So let's eliminate this answer choice. Answer choice C, indicate prejudice in favor of minor novels and mediocre poems. The passage refers to a prejudice in favor of the works of minor novels and mediocre poems written in the cultural prestige of England and New England. In the context of this discussion, it can be inferred that the prejudice is the prejudice in favor of the Eastern literature and not in particular minor novels and mediocre poems. So this answer choice cannot be established. Let's eliminate it. Answer choice D, prejudice against excellent novels and poems. Again, in the context of the discussion, it says that there is prejudice against excellent novels and poems written in the harsh plains of the American West. So the prejudice is against the works of American Western literature and not particularly against excellent novels and poems, as suggested in this answer choice. So let's eliminate it. Answer choice E, giving a reason that contributed to the extension of prejudice against Western literature. Yes, this is what is implied in the context of the highlighted text, because it says that there is prejudice against the works of the American West, and the West has produced no William Faulkner or a giant who is strong enough to make the prejudice collapse. So it can be inferred that the passage mentions William Faulkner to indicate a reason that contributed to the extension or sustenance of prejudice against the Western literature. E is the correct answer choice.